So today we are back at the TS348XD lawn tractor. I say back, but I actually never had to fix this thing. I just kind of tune it up for the owner every season. Well, I think this is going into the third season, and he called me up and he said, "Hey, I found some parts." I said, "What parts?" Anyway, so just kind of got this in the shop here, and right now we're looking at a piece of broken sheet metal right there. And then that one came off, and you'll see that the ears, or whatever you want to call that bolt this piece on, are still there. Let me show you the parts that he showed me. There we go. So here's that pulley cover, belt cover. That one's got this piece that broke off as well, and the ears are shot. And then the other piece that he found was this thing. So I'm sure that came from the deck somewhere underneath. So we're gonna take this deck off, flip it upside down, and find out what is going on. So one thing I want to point out as I'm trying to take this deck off, it's a pretty simple procedure. But as I reach under here and take these clips and stuff off, look at that rod sticking out there. I did not do that. That's not supposed to be that way. So maybe that was a part of what caused this piece to break off the deck. We'll find out if it's a factor here. Alright, we'll clean it up better before we put it back on, but just wanted to show you what we're looking at here. And like I said, this rod here is hanging here like this, and it's actually supposed to be mounted up under the tractor like so, or maybe like so. I forget. But I'll find out in a moment here. But I'm going to put this thing up on the deck and flip it over, see what's going on underneath. Alright, so here we are looking at the underside of this deck, and in addition to the blades being really bad shape, this piece that we found actually came from right here, broken off, and there's actually some of it missing. So you gotta figure out what's going on here. What should we do? Might have to fabricate something. Oh boy. Alright, so it's not the prettiest thing out there, but the piece that broke off of the mower deck, this piece right here, I didn't have any material like that to use to replace it. I thought about leaving it off, but if you get too close to a tree or something and that blade is spinning around right there, you're liable to do some serious damage to the blade or the spindle it's mounted to. So it needed some sort of a barrier right here, and I had this I want to say 1/2 inch rod, solid rod, and I bent it so that it would just, clear the blade here, and that way, as the driver, if he gets too close to something on that side, at least it won't be hitting the blade. So that's all I could do in my little shop here. We got brand new blades on this thing. We'll put it back on the tractor and get to mowing. Well, there it is. It's not pretty, but it's functional, and hopefully it stays put for at least one season. Thanks for watching.